Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Constant Contact campaigns, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Constant Contact account. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab in the main menu. Click on the Create button to start a new campaign. Select the type of campaign you want to create, such as an email or a social post. Choose a template that fits the style and purpose of your campaign. After selecting a template, click on Edit to customize your content. Add a subject line for your email, making sure it's engaging and relevant. Insert your campaign name in the designated field for easy reference. Use the editing tools to modify text, images, and links within the template. Personalize your campaign by including dynamic content, such as the recipient's name. Utilize the drag and drop feature to rearrange elements on the page as needed. Once your content is finalized, click the Preview button to see how it looks. Test different devices by using the Mobile Preview option to ensure proper formatting. When satisfied with the design, click on Save to secure your progress. Next, determine your target audience by selecting a contact list or segment. You can also add new contacts at this stage if desired. After selecting your audience, move on to the scheduling options. Choose to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Review all settings to ensure everything is correct, including content and audience. Finally, click the Send button to launch your campaign. Keep an eye on the Analytics dashboard after sending to track engagement and performance. This will help you understand how your audience is responding to your campaigns. With this step-by-step guide, you are now ready to create effective Constant Contact campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.